Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the art preparator here at the Gregg Museum. Let me take you inside and I can show you what I do. Here inside the galleries of the museum, it's my job to hang up the artwork on the walls, place artwork on pedestals, and even build some of the pedestals back in the workshop. And this is the Gregg Museum shop. We bring most everything for our exhibitions in through this door behind me. And I spend a lot of time back here building various things that help support artwork to go on display in our galleries. One of those things, or some of those things that I build back here, are the pedestals that you saw out in the gallery. To build those pedestals, I use a lot of different carpentry skills, including sawing, gluing, nailing, sawing, drilling, painting, sawing, sanding, and more sanding. In addition to building things to help support the artwork, I also, as a part of my job as the art preparator, actually frame some of the artwork that's two-dimensional. So we'll do that over in the framing shop. So here's part of our matting and framing room. You can see behind me, this is one of the mat cutters that we'll use to make repeatable cuts that we do over and over again for the same size piece of artwork. We also use this mat cutter back here, which we just use to cut down framing and matting materials to the correct size before we cut them in here. And another part of my job is lighting. You'll see above me are some of the fixtures that we store back here in this area of the museum. And I'll take you out to the gallery so you can take a look at how we install lights and adjust lights. So in this gallery, you can see that we have kind of a special lighting effect. We've brought the lights down intentionally so it's a little bit darker in here. And we use this type of fixture where it's called a projection fixture with this lens that attaches to the front and allows us to really control the light. So inside of here, you can see we have these shims which move around and allow us to shape the light to the exact size of trapezoid that we want. Now to adjust these, we have to go up on this lift behind me, and I'll show you how that works. And those are some of the things that I do as the art preparator of the Gregg Museum. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to have you come check us out in person sometime.
As always, the Gregg is free and open to the public. We hope you'll visit us soon, in person or virtually. You can find lots of information at our website, gregg.arts.ncsu.edu.